Onim baby.
Masa matam you. Woman say.
Mesro. This, you know. One time. Me did 3 years, 6 months.
Udi 3 years, 6 months.
Me and men this 6 months grandson and me impact on Boise.
When is 6 months cry? And I'm more Boise for I have a feel of
my first 6 months. They felt that change is happening here.
Okay.
Look at Boise street like be able to come back, be able to come 1 kilometer long back. Within my first 6 years, we lighted the whole of Boise. All I mean
street lights.
First time we had comprehensive street lighting. And I use money from the town. I didn't go and I counted to them on radio. Them a jack copies or radio stations now. What I said?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm a trained public administrator. What I said? And maybe I have a fair idea of what to do. And my background in the radio too helps me marketing. It helps me in identifying opportunities. So, penny for say yanko. Sandy from penny for Casa with the 2 or my 3.1. Anna and a boame at the bobra.
No crap.
Almost say yanko na yema. Ye who say a queen ye. Sabi, your mom troy a mamma consider no young for. No, only say society. Any nature, any static.
Yeah.
A dynamic. Anything no more, man. No man can just be bad. No one more dear. Yen maybe. Omni say, Ubeti me about them. No one more homody. Now, out of weaknesses, no, what nature, a bow. Now, Usam baby, what baby impacted, I corrected the wrongs.
Yeah.
Now, baby, I'm a Ghana for no baby, Mahama Mudi, where he accepts mistakes. He is bold and courageous, saying that a lot of times, okay, say, and you might be how and he names them. So, where Minya, Quenya Biwa, Mayan Zachraye. And that is what Ghanaians are looking for, creativity out of mistakes. Because the only way we can evolve positively is say, aha, you who say, yeah, you man is ya ye. No, thank you, and I didn't come on him punto.
Yeah.
My daughter, them,
that's I say.
Slogans. One district to one factory. No, afa, Udru, Chabusu, Okomiko,
SOMPA 3.1.
Professional couldn't pass a furniture Chabusu. Urumfa, Rubiasia. Oda Rubiasia, Bakupia Cocaine. Oh, see a Sidney BSC. Rubiase, Oda Rubiase, Pan, painting who green a manepa. Near trouble factory, one district, one factory, between Yame. At that Robaco Grand.
Oh, my day, my painting.
And that is in grip.
No more painting 1 district, 1 factory.
Trouble 1 district, 1 factory. Green quite feedy.
No for home Musa saw my day.
No one buy it from one who. So you see, and when I did slogans, say policy, and on kind of program, and on any way. And when one district, 1 factory now conform my Sika could sing where my Sebi, and nobody them near Ukuta terminal if you got them defense in the same. Defense woman is saying. So I could be saying, near Mouncy, now there could see room, near my she, no to the 1 district, 1 factory. Tia and Alabama. Oh, caught Robins will be no Masaba, 1 district, 1 warehouse. Oh, Drew, Uno, Kumawa, Bakusi Wapa. Imagine now a blowback around with them. And that was a sagasca, and they got them. Then so they call. Udu Oko at the Jamaica could be a famicum. Who's about Kusio? She is him. And now, Yaba Twaba, yes, 1 district, 1 factory near the era. Santa Yakuti company be a Wasabian Kufu. Try the hall. Yeah, near Bieno. I fear we have yes, I will walk up at our name. The commission program at the 1st December 2021 and 4th March 2023. Crayon cry being so
3.1.
So slogans. When I say NDC, if you 2020 program, where daddy, we in Chilean
jobs and prosperity for all NDC
programs.
Yes.
And if we have these brilliant programs, why must we bring a new one? Because these are still relevant. And I've told you that when you have an economy like ones that we have, And no man who hear pay first and foremost an adjustment program.
SOMPA 93.1.
And yema the proper alignment beba within your budget. The overheads as we speak are too much. Yensika yeje any expenditure too much. The size of government a drain on the resources for a bigger income. Na time I'm working over yata na yade na ye besiambo. And and 2019 na COVID my. And that the governor of Bank of Ghana, a man warning say besiano ya yed. And in writing. And at the end aje ensem. So what we are saying is that first and foremost, there are three critical areas. This is kabeba o maimu. This is a developing economy. And the sika anko informal sector na economy be collapse. The reason why I hear breast is here and say ejumfo na la dish enyeska. So ofa ye manifest here. We have a brilliant program on mining. Mining as it stands now and regulated contributes over $5 billion annually to our GDP. The potential we are in the NDC are going to use mining to raise